love a good little bob. And this little bob right here is bobbing, okay?
It's not that I don't want you here.
Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Crystal, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey now, baby, I'm new here, okay? I got some new hair. I love this color. But before we jump into this unit, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. And also comment down below, let me know how you are feeling this unit, honey. This unit is cute as hell. I'm sorry. I love a good little bob. And this little bob right here is bobbing, okay? This unit was sent to me by Ebony line. Thank you so much, Ebony line, for sending me this unit. I love it, okay? It's given. This is a new unit from Outre, I don't know. It's a lot of people that pronounces it very differently. I'm just gonna pronounce it Outre, okay? This is the units. Like I said, this is one of their new units from Outre. Like, it is super soft. I do not have a single tangle. Not one tangle at all. Not even in the back. Not a tangle. Got this unit in the DRFF Golden Amber. This is a 12 unit. It does only have the parting space in the middle, and it has a little bit of lace in the front. The lace that was on the side was very, very minimal, just enough for you to secure your unit. I did use glueless. I used my old school hairspray, okay? It does come in several different colors. These are all of the colors that the unit comes in. I was gonna get the copper, but I decided to get this golden amber, just to give it a little spice, because you know I'm a Virgo and I like things spicy. You can put heat on this unit up to 400 degrees. It says it is a heat resistant fiber. The lace is transparent HD. Lace wear, okay? Where is my lace? Lace wear. Where's my lace? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I really love this unit. I do not have any complaints, not one bit. Like, I'm gonna wear this unit and like this unit makes, I heard something. This unit makes me feel like I am sophisticated, baby. All I need is some glasses. Come again. It's Virgo season, baby. I'm not gonna play with y'all. Put it behind your ear. Ooh. It is cute. Let me show y'all the back. So this is the back of the unit. Super cute. Very flowy. The only thing, it is just a tiny bit thin, but I mean that is okay. Like, I'm not complaining about that. The curls kind of make up for the thinness for me, you know. Get you one of these, honey. Put it on. Be cute, be spicy, you know, and be free. If you guys like this unit, let me know. Comment down below. And I also want to thank Ebony Line for sending your girl this unit. You know, I think I picked a good color. Like, the color looks pretty good on me. I've never really had like a blonde, but you know, why not try something different? So it's cute. Make sure you guys shop with Ebony Line. Get this unit. I will link it down below. And until the next time, bye. Y'all, when I tell you this unit, as y'all seen in the clip before, it came with baby hairs. I did not have to do a single thing but just swoop my edges back. That was it. That was it. I love a unit that is put on, ready to go. I did not have to pluck a single thing. I did not have to cut any baby hairs. This was super duper easy. And y'all know I'm kind of new to this, so you know, I'm okay with the super easy unit to install. I love this one. It's cute. The only thing, I have a small head, so it kind of sits on my ear just a smidget, but you know, that's okay as long as it's secured. It's cool. It does have the 2 clips in the front, one on both sides and then one in the back. And I feel that it's pretty secure, especially, you know, I'm not gonna wear this like all day every day, but you know, this is a very good unit when you want to be cute, you know. I give it a 10. I give it a 10. The coloring, I love the coloring, like how it's dark at the roots and then it gets lighter. I like that. I like it. I like it, you like it, so go get you one from Ebony Line. I will link it down below. And until the next time, guys, bye.